going on, guys? Fire Scoobas here. Welcome to another Pixelgun 3D video here. Today we're going to be doing another review. Today we are going to be reviewing a pretty famous gun. It's the System Admin. This gun is in the virtual worlds automatically. You cannot get it if you complete the campaign, but you just spawn in it. It's a legendary gun. Efficiency 61, fire rate 96, capacity 35, and mobility 65. Automatic, and it got area damage. So it's a pretty futuristic gun. Right. Each shot updates the server by 1%. I don't know how I killed him, but eventually it worked. The devs are pondering over what interesting facts about this gun to tell. Alright, let's load in to review this gun. Let's load in. Alright, let's check out the headshot damage. Alright, so it got 15 headshot damage. The rest is 11. I don't think it really matters this damage because it shoots many at once, like you see. Yeah, see, look. Alright, pretty good actually. Hold on, let's test the area damage. Okay, so the area damage just works. Okay, let's try it on the mob. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, 5 for the zombie. 2 for the raven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 shots for me. 1, 2. Okay, 2 for the spider. That's good actually. This guy's actually pretty cool. Yo, this is actually peak. Alright, let's shoot the bottles. Oh, okay. So the area damage took all 3 of them. Alright. Let's see. Does it... Oh, even this one? Okay. Alright, so the area damage is pretty good, actually. Oh, I barely missed. I almost missed it. Alright, let's try shooting the moving target. Alright, we did that. And let's detonate this TNT here. Alright. I like this gun. I like this. Alright, we haven't attacked the pilot fully yet. Alright, there we go. It's actually pretty good. Let's check for the sniper. Oh, is this guy dead? Yo, this is actually pretty nice. I accidentally realized that some of the guns in the recent poll, they aren't even in the gallery. Like Pixelgun removed it. They're unobtainable at this time. Yeah, that sucks. Anyways, this gun is actually pretty damn good. I'm a rated 8.5 out of 10. Thank you guys so much for watching this Pixelgun review, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend.